Good morning, another early morning start for me. These early mornings are proving to be valuable. Get up early, you can get a lot done in the day, so this is my message of the day. Get up early, get a lot done. Simple. Today we're going to finally start stripping the CB750. I think it's about time. I know I said I wasn't going to start it before working on the CX and the GS, but hey, the client, the customer wants to know what's underneath the bike so they can start ordering parts. So, you know, once we've got the bike stripped, we know what hoop we need, what seat we can fabricate, all sorts. So it's a starting point. So I mean, it's not going to take too long out of my day to strip it out. So that's going to be today's job. Well, a couple of hours work here today. Strip the bike down, see what we've got underneath, see what the frame condition is. I think it's in a fairly good condition from when I checked it the other day when we first purchased the bike. Everything seemed alright, but anyway, let's get everything off, these massive things off the back. Get the tank, get the seat, get the headlight, all these bits that we don't want, strip it to its bare bones, and then see where we go from there. We start designing it then. It's really exciting. It's probably the most exciting part of any build, apart from, you know, the day you get it running, you get it on the road. Bring it on.
this is where we're up to now. So we've got everything pretty much stripped down. You can see what the shocks are, what the condition of the shocks are. They will be changed, they need to be changed. Everything else, frame looks alright. The engine, these manifold boots are as rock solid as anything, so they will need to be changed. That is one thing for sure. I mean, everything else looks alright. The tank's in good condition. The forks obviously need cleaning up, but I mean the majority of the bike is here now. We're ready to start. We've got, you know, the back end that we need to cut off. All good. So here it is, the CB750, all stripped down. There's really not that much of it left compared to what we had at the beginning. We had all those plastic bits and everything, and it just looked huge, and it took up most of the room at the workshop. Now I'm sitting in the middle of the workshop floor, and it can go behind me, that's fine. I've only stripped everything down. It's a similar size to, I'd probably say the GS, a bit longer. But we can see what condition the frame is. It looks good. Engine needs sorting and all that, so I'm going to be stripping down the engine. So that is it. I'm happy with the CB. I'm happy with where we've taken it to now. The customer can order all the parts that they want now. They know exactly what size hoop and everything that we need to get. We know what kind of seat we need to fabricate and what extra items. So we can get them here all in one go, so we don't have to wait week by week for parts to come. You know, some parts come as far as Australia. We don't have to wait that long. So, next week's video will be on the CX, and probably the GS will be back on your screens next week as well. As I mentioned, there's a few little bits that we use just tidy up in the GS before we get it on the road, so that'll be next week as well. And so that is all from me today. If you want to stay updated with how all these 3 bikes come along now, then follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and there'll be videos every week. And I will see you next week.